Okay. Check one. Check one. See if I'm streaming here. Check one. See if I'm streaming here. Got range lovers playing here. Okay. Alright, so after screwing up my account yesterday a bit, I got one a little bit up. I'm up $1,100 basically. Let's see what today's looking like here. Let's step back on the daily. So we've kind of inverted this fair value gap. It's kind of dipped into the disrespect zone, and okay, on a weekly it reacted, it wicked back up from this disrespect zone. The daily we've inverted. 4 hour we're in a bit of a downtrend. We've wicked off of this disrespect zone. We have a bearish fair value gap on the 2 hour with the upward momentum with a downward trend. That's a little, this might want to go up more before it wants to go down, which would uptrend on the 4 hour, uptrend on the on the daily. Or we got our range down here starting to form. We got this fair value gap. This might want to come down and range a little bit in this range here. 90 minute, the fair value gap 2, already wicking into it and pushing down. We've got this push up and then we've wicked down, got some downward momentum here. A 1 hour push up here is forming, but we can already see we got a bit of a downtrend going overall. Smaller. So I'm thinking prices going down at the moment. We still got a downtrend here. We got our target down there. I'm gonna buy in here. We are pre-market, so actually I should have looked here first. Our momentum is not really moving very much. But we just want to get a couple points. Traded a little bit last night. Be able to get my exit button here. Kind of like the way this is moving so far, but I think I might just get out of it at 25. I'm out. Okay. I think I got out at 30. Okay. Not too bad. There it is, pre-market 907. Still got drawdown on my other one in case I blow this account, so I still got a little wiggle room. Alright, so let's continue on. We got some downward momentum. We've taken out these session highs and lows here, or the session low rather. We've not taken out this session high. We're on a downtrend. We got a push up, and then we're going down. So we got a downtrend there. We got a fair value gap. Hold this up here. 22 minutes left on that to see what's gonna happen. We got our push down. We got some fair value gaps holding us up and down. May want to go touch one of these before it goes back up a little bit. Just hopped in there. Hopefully quick. See if it wants to invert this one on the 5 minute. Oh, I'm on the wrong market here. MES. Same. We had an indecision here, so it makes me think it's going to go up a little bit. It's starting to move a little bit. On the 1 minute, it's saying that our target's up here on this swing high. We are sandwiched in between these two. Fair value gaps. So one of them is going to be likely. We're going to wick into them, and then one of them is going to give way here. We are kind of starting a new downtrend. So the 5 minute wants it to go down. There is a push down right now. Overall, we want to just take advantage of this transient move up, but I think we're going to be taking sells for the most part today. What's 30 minutes working on down. I need to adjust this so it can wick in there and take it if it needs to. I just want to see it take something. We got about a few minutes till market opens. Still haven't got past the threshold here. I think this should take. Not a guarantee though. Wasn't a great entry here. You get 5. Okay, I got 10. Could have got more, but it's okay. I think actually this is going to go down again. You could always have market manipulation pre-market, so I do need to be careful about that. I'd like it to take this order here and get me 10 bucks or so. Oh, I should have took it. I do want to see it take this. Might be going up a little more. We do have a downtrend on a lot of our time frames, so I think I'm looking to take. Okay, I got it. I'm going to buy again. Push them down a little more than I'd like it to. And we expect it to range a little bit here because of these fair value gaps on these lower time frames. We got to push down, but then there's this fair value gap that's being created here. So I expect it to react a little bit off that. We got 20 seconds left on this. Maybe I could see another bullish momentum push from here. We are wicking up from this candle, which is a good sign so far. We went deeper. Okay. We've created a fair value gap on the lower time frames, which we don't like so far. We're almost inverting this fair value gap, which I don't like either. We've created fair value gaps. I'm gonna just go here. I'm up 24 on this candle here. I'm hoping it's going to go up. A little bit of a gamble here. A little bit of a gamble. I'm getting stupid already. I want to blow this account. Pre-market. I'm going to see it just go up and take profit. We've created a fair value gap, I don't think. Let me make a mini one here. That's on the 1 minute. We are pushing down further. I'm down 200 bucks in this trade. I don't like that. I do think it's gonna go up, make another shift up again at some point. I'm gonna keep it right above this fair value gap. Oh, we're going down. We're going down more. We're quickly losing the plot here. I'm down 349 on the day. And 48 contracts. This is stupid, so stupid. I'm down 419 right now. I could, if it pushes down, wicks down, it will toast my account for the day and lose my profit. So I need it to go back up here, which there's nothing really saying it should go up here. Hopefully it'll do something, but this is not where I wanted to be this early on. I'm down 300 in this trade today, so we can't really lose more than that. We need to see it go up now. This is stupid. I was so stupid. We're down 479. There we go. Come on, push up. Go a little more. Go a little more. Okay, I'm out. I'm up $35 for the day. That was risky. But, you know, let's get back to 4 contracts. So that's a push up. We're seeing a big push up now. It may totally invert here, but I'm seeing price go up now. I can see it take this. That was too risky. I need to not do that today. I need to not do that today. I've really got a nice little pot built on this Eval, and I don't want to screw that up. All I really need, I need 3K total. I could do that today. It's possible. It's very possible to do that today. I just need to be patient and not be stupid. And just trust that the price does want to go the direction I think it's going to go. So we had a bit of a push up here. We are reacting off of this fair value gap, but price could just go back down. There's nothing. That's the disrespect. Price does want to go down here. We inverted this once. I'm out. Okay, I'm up 52 today. I could see it going down from here though, because we got a long way to fall. I'm gonna take a sell. And we got the bearish push still on this candle on the 30-minute here. So we expect it to go down a little bit. We also got the disrespect line here. It's like a good entry point if you want to do like a little scalp. Now it could disrespect it, but I think we're expecting it to go down from here. We had this big wick down, but okay, we're gonna take another one. So we got this big fair value gap here. It could wick up into it to a certain degree, but it looks like price wants to go down. We've been going up so much over the course of the last month that I feel like it does have room to fall. So I think sells is the way to go. What is holding us up here? Nothing really. I don't want to go any heavier than 2 contracts on any given trade. That should be my limit. So we got fair value gaps there. We've tapped into this 5 minute. We have one up here at 15 minute, one up here on 30 minute, 45 minute. Everything's looking like we're going down, so this is not a bad trade. I smell my food cooking my fish. Start taking it. I still feel like it's going to come down first. We do have a 1 hour uptrend here, so that is something. That is something. We did just make, oops. Looks like, did we not make a fair value gap here? No, because of this way. So this time frame is likely to go up, but it is respecting this, and we're looking for the next target. So I think it'll come down a little bit before. Look at this. If this gets inverted, oh, that's already inverted. No, is it? A little bit of a. Inverting that. We're down $7 now. We're kind I always find myself going against the market in these types of double down situations, which I don't really want to do. This is the disrespect, but we've already covered a lot of ground in the respect area. So I'm kind of hesitant on what we're doing here. If I could look down, or then I want to continue back up. That's the question. No fair value gaps on the lower time frames, holding it up. So I'm hoping it's going to come down here soon. At least into profit. That's all I want, is a little profit. I'm okay with a little profit. I got 3 minutes left on this candle here on the 30 minute up to the 30 minute. I'm so tempted to hop back in there because I do feel like it's going to go down, but I'm trying to stay a little disciplined here today. It is making ways up to what time? Okay, we got 4 minutes now before market opens. We don't want to really be in this trade once that pressure valve releases here. It's already building up now. We are wicking down, but we are making the uptrend. We just wicked up a long way here. We want to get out of this. I'm out. Okay, got $10. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Okay, we're pushing down, but the 1 hour is still pushing up. So I do want to watch this level. Two-hour push up. Everything's pushing up. Where's my 1 hour? So the volume right now is 28. Previous is 86. We got 30 minutes left. I think it's going to go up again. Okay. 74. I do kind of want to wait till market opens, see what it's going to do, but we got basically, we have a 4-hour fair value gap way up here that it could want to go revisit before it goes down. We got one here, it's pushing up in the 2-hour. We could see what this one wants to do. We've got the previous one here. We want to see if there's going to be a continuation going up, or if it's going to, this one is going to continue down when the market opens. And we're basically 30 minutes in, and it's got less volume than the previous, so that makes me want to say price is going to go up. At this point, we got 1 minute till market opens. We wicked up from here. Oh. Okay. Damn. Very nice. So we wicked into it. Now we want to see what's going to happen here. Is that market manipulation? Okay, we got a little bit there. So now this is a bullish candle. We're gonna, oops, shit. Oh shit, what the hell? Did I lose, or yeah, I lost a little bit. I need to hit the wrong button. Okay, so this is going down a little bit. Market has opened. This one is pushing down now. Okay, we've got a blue starting to form. So we've got basically a downtrend we're looking to take for the moment. But it's not solidified. This is like a like a predictive assumption that this candle is going to be a bearish candle. So we got this take order there. Okay, we got that one. Let's see it wick up for a second. No. Now I'm taking a sell again. No fair value gaps to the downside. I'm in 4 contracts. We got the teeter-tottering on the blue here. So we wanted to see what we got 28 minutes left on this candle. I'm out of this one. We're at 234. I'm gonna buy again actually. I'm out. So it's moving down, it looks like. I don't want to go in too heavy. Okay, we're starting to reverse this one, so I want to see if we could take this before getting out of this trade. We are kind of moving like rambunctiously here. We can buy again. That's stupid. We really need to figure out which way this candle's going. Okay, get a little bit of that back, hopefully. No, missed it. Damn it, just missed it. Okay, this is looking better. We're at the disrespect line now of this. Okay, we got that right. 156. Okay, I smell my food now. Okay, so we got 24 minutes left on this one, but we got this fair value gap. That's my grouper. I don't mind this being in this one. So we are signaling an uptrend. We got equal high right at this level, but it should poke up a little bit. I'm at 183. We are pushing up. I don't see it totally reversing at this point. We got 22 minutes left to confirm this momentum here. Not buying here if it goes down. We're at 200 for the day now. Still looking at price to go up. Take a buy down here maybe. Let's see where my fair value gap is down there. 765. If it goes down, I think it might go down all the way. We got this one way down here on 15-minute 163. Try to get out of this because it is shaping up like it might want to go down. Hopefully it'll take this one. There we go. 215 now. Okay, let's take it from the top. We do see upward momentum. So we want to be on buys. Well, we've already wicked on here. One hour, this is our target down here. So we may be pushing off this fair value gap to go down. Let's see, this is still got upward momentum here. And it's at our target, so I could be seeing a reversal here. We still got a lot of signals going up. That's the problem. A lot of upward signal. Indecision candle. Might double down here, but I don't know. Okay, we've made a fair value gap going up. Let's see what happens on this candle. Target on the 1 hour is way up here. I might see if I'll double down it a little bit higher. Seems like a pretty substantial leg up though. So we're getting into our profit here almost the whole way. We're in this fair value gap. We've got to break the structure to the downside. It may be a little risky, but I think I want to see another candle form before. Okay, we're starting to turn around a little bit. But I want to see another candle form. I want to get rid of some of these fair value gaps. We have basically two fair value gaps here. We've gotten rid of the one. 70176 is where. We have this pushback here, wick down. We have fair value gap here, part of our downtrend. I feel like it does want to keep going a little bit. Took my fish too much. There's a fair value gap I should get out of it. Only down $40 here. Okay, should I put a stop loss? That's a question. This is going down. Does it want to keep going down? I still got a fair value gap here. I'm only down $30 if I pull out now. I'm pulling out. Okay, I took a little bit of a loss, but I gotta see what's happening here. Probably gonna go down and take it. But let's see. And sure at the top, where are we at? All-time highs. Downward trend. I want to see it go down more. I still got my. This is the thing that's throwing me here. I still got this upward. Everything looks bullish. We're like on the edge of a reversal, probably. Get my loss back here. 4 hours going down, but we got this 2 hour heavy push up. And what's the 1 hour? So volume previous is 86, we're at 122, so we're like well over the volume, but okay, let's see if I can manually exit here. Okay, got out of that. 166. I don't know. Come on. I'm just shy of missing my targets today. I think I'm going to stick with up for now until I see. This is a lower high on a smaller time frame. Okay, I got that 177. Okay, got it. 208. Okay, so made kind of a new little high here. So let's okay. We got something on that one. I think a lot of what I do is kind of reactive too. Like, if you see a big push, it's gonna spring back like that one. So if you could catch it at the right time, obviously it's maybe a little bit risky, but let's take from the top again, because I'm not really seeing necessarily a clear direction of what price wants to do. We're at all-time highs. We're in an uptrend on the daily. We got all these fair value gaps down here. I feel like price could come 7079, could come all the way down. $7075. I feel like it could fall all the way 7075 down here. So we did make our first, like, well, we got a little bit of a rounding of the top here. So could it do like a liquidity sweep, go all the way up here, then go down, or not really sure at this point. 4 hours got a lot of fair value gaps up here, so they could want to go back and touch here before going down. So I think I'm looking at down. So we wick down here, but again, we don't know if it's gonna. We got 8 minutes until we make a new fair value gap. So, or a new 4 hour candle. So I'm gonna try to be patient here today, which it's been a little dodgy so far. I'll be honest. Been a little dodgy, but we are up at the moment. I'm just trying to stay light so my strategy can withstand it. With these prop firms, there's such little margin when you're starting, little margin for error. I want to see a fair value gap being made on the lower time frame, preferably 5 minutes or so. Well, I think it's going down a little bit now, but should I get in up here or down here? That's the question. I shouldn't cook this too much. are making a little bit of a push down. We got a fair value gap forming on the 1 minute. So I'm going to say let's take a little bit of a move down. Wicks back up. I need to have my finger on the button today because I'm not getting any chances here, it looks like. Looks like it's gonna go. Come on, push. Damn. Okay, we're gonna get this now. We gotta get a little. There we go. All right. So now we are making clear leg down. It looks like we did wick back up here. Now, just in case. We have these push candles here, but this big wick makes me hesitant. I want to look at the 5 minute, so we want to go retrace up before it looks like we'll go down. I'm going to take a stop there. Okay, we got that. We're at 286. We get these fair value gaps down here. This is our target. I don't think I'm going to take another one if it goes back up. This could be a wick up. Let's see, look at all our time frames. Okay, so our 1 hour is going down now. Let's see what our 1 hour is. Okay, it is pushing down. We've already wicked up quite a bit into that fair value gap, and we got pushed down. We're now in a bearish 1 hour push. So, and we made some fair value gaps going down. We got the higher time frame fair value gaps. Now, I keep missing the damn button. There we go. I'm out. I'm gonna wait for it to retrace up a little bit. We're at 307. We're in a downtrend. Our target could be down here. We just had a big push up, so I think it's going to want to pull back. I want to see the pullback first before going down any further, even though we are making fair value gaps here. This is kind of my target. I want to see a candle being made before pushing down further. I want to see a candle, this closing with the fair value gap, and then pushing back into it. This is my entry here, so I'm going to get on this. So 7167, I'll take a sell here. A little deeper than I wanted to go. Shit. We did get pushed up, but we also did, looking at, we got 30 seconds. Hopefully it does not invert this fair value gap. And we could see it going up again for a time, but we got 28 seconds. We want to see it whiffing is okay, but we want to see it close with the red here. That means it's still a bearish fair value gap, not an inverted fair value gap. Let's consider moving my stop loss or just manually getting out of this if I don't like it. Okay, we've closed that candle, we've created a fair value gap on the other way, but we want to see it invert this fair value gap or just cancel it out. That's what we want to see right there. So that is not a fair value gap. And then that is now holding up against this fair value gap. It's still inverting it. It still can invert it. However, this might be an entry up here. What's my 5 minute look like? So we got the 5 minute fair value gap. Could want to. This might be an entry here if we take this at 7171. I'm going to take it. I'm double down. But we do see a lot of, oh, now we see this, the buy, so the 1 hour is flipped now again. We don't want to see that. We want to see it go down. Otherwise, we're like a little bit of an indecision here. So I may be finger on the button to cancel it out. However, I think we could potentially, before going up again, just take out these 2 orders here. So we want to see, this is a deciding factor here, which way this wants to go. We got this fair value gap, that's helping us here. But, and it's already wicked into it quite a bit, which makes you think, well, how much liquidity is there to take at this point? So, we don't like to see this 1 hour here. All these signs here are lit up as basically, so I'm going to have my finger on the button. I'm out. I just got out because we don't know what's going on at this point. Now this looks like it's ranging in a bit, so I'm going to start from the top again, try to get an idea what the heck's price is doing. Okay, this is a disrespect, so we know on the daily price wants to go up. This is kind of a pullback. It wicked up, and now price is kind of, let's see, 496, previous 908. So it's less volume going down than it is up at this point, and so that's kind of an indication of momentum shift. 4 hour, we got this fair value gap here. We got 3 hours before this closes. It could wick. There's no wick up here, so this could be a wick being formed up here at maybe 7.3. Could come up here. Could come up all the way to 7.9 before going down. We had this push here. No wick on the top. I'm thinking buys at this point because there's no wicks on the top. Everything is, you know, not great momentum, but everything, it seems to be aligning with going up a little bit more at least. So 1 hour. Now we do got this fair value gap in this direction. It does want to go down, so this could be a bit of a range here. But this is a very small wick. There's still liquidity here to grab potentially before going up. Or before going down, rather. We had this push here. This is the 1 hour push. We've kind of got an indecision candle, so it is a little uncertain what we want to do here. However, I feel like price could come up a little bit, even as high as up to here, if it goes just to the midline of this wick, of this fair value gap. Now, this is not a good sign. Let's see if it wants to make a new low. Say hi in the chat if you don't mind. Give me some love. I am doing the Apex Eval, and all I got to get is 3K without blowing the account. You blow it at basically $1,000 a day, you get canceled out, and then if you're at $1,000 at the end of the day and you can't trade anymore, then your account's pretty much cooked anyway. So I'm really trying to work towards getting a little bit of profit each day. I'm not going too heavy, not going crazy here. I'm just trying to take little wins, little base hits, and just build this account. I'm at almost 1,500 now in the account, so I'm halfway there. I've passed evals in one day before. The other day I did 1,500 bucks with 4 contract sizing. So it's definitely possible to just pass this eval. However, this market is crazy today. I'm not really seeing a really good narrative on what price wants to do. But it looks like we're making another little leg up here. I want to wait. This is strong here, so I'm going to let this hopefully take that. We hope, look down. We're losing our fair value gap. We have a bit of a small, tiny little fair value gap here. So that is a good sign. Maybe we double down. We're making higher lows here. We still got a tiny little wick on this, and this candle is not quite, it does not have the steam going down as the other one had it going up, so we're losing a little bit of volume here. Might even take an entry down lower. This kind of is wicking off here like it wants to go back up, but we have a big wick here as well, so it's a little like uncertain. Hey baby. Oh wow, Project. Well, you're so Sex in the City, aren't you?
New menu.
New menu?
Oh,
wow.
let's find out.
Oh. Okay, we're making a little move up. I am streaming, by the way, but you could feel free to talk if you want. Okay, so we're in profit a little bit. I think it's going to go up and take this here. That would be a nice move. I haven't had any decent. There we go. Okay, so we're at 410 for the day. That's good. We got a bit of a momentum now, pushing up on this 90 minute. We'll wait till it dips down again and then pop back in. We're just getting. Okay, we're at 436. 26 seconds left on this candle. Again, just a little bit, realistic, you know, higher odds wins, and it keeps the win rate high too. So you can see win rate today is 83. So that means we're winning 83% of our trades. I'm making a leg up. I'm going to go in here. My finger on the exit here if I want to. I feel like it's going to go up. There we go. That's good. 527 now. And we want to keep an eye now that we've got like a little bit of a trend of what's happening with these fair value gaps on the lower time frame. 9 seconds here, so 173 could be an entry. If it dips down into that fair value, actually let's go a little bit lower. We want to take this as an entry moving up. This is like an entry, potential entry target, you know. A fair value gap, it means you're waiting for that pullback and you are getting as much as you can out of it. Now did not go all the way down, but it could come down on the next one. Until we make a new fair value gap, we don't want to consider, you don't want to be too greedy on this one because it could just be a complete reversal. We got pretty long wicks, so you just never know. So we want to weight this as a target, and we're just going for small point earns here. We're at 527, so we're at 1737. Our target is 53,000. So we could, I mean, just see how we're just waiting to see how this day shapes up. But it looks like we're making pretty good progress here today. If we get to 700, that would get us to 2,000. Then we just need 1,000 left, and we could do that potentially in a day. So it's like it's looking at 3 day to pass this if I'm being conservative. And then once it's passed, I'm going to continue the same sizing, the same strategy, because I have been consistent, and all you really need to do is get $250 a day, and then $250 a day for 5 days will get you opportunity to get a payout. But the first payout is a maximum of $1,500. So there we go. This could be good. Oh, almost wanted it. So that would have been. We still got 44 seconds left. It could still come take out. I might just manually enter it because it's going to go up. I'll leave it down here to get another go at it. But if not, then if it goes up and gets us a little bit. 7 seconds. We don't want it to make a fair value gap. That's the other thing. Okay, see if we could dip down here. It could invert this fair value gap. Okay, it's making a fair value gap down now, which we don't want to see that. We want to adjust these, take profits a little bit. Alright, we're making a bit of a move down. We've inverted this fair value gap. What's our 5 minute look like? No fair value gaps on the 5. Could drop all the way. We're hoping it's going to wick up first or something. It's now holding. The fair value gap is holding. Ooh. We got 13 seconds left. Hopefully it'll wick up and take this. It's getting a little rambunctious. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What's gonna happen? 3, 2, 1. I should have. Okay, may want to take profit now. No fair value gap going down. We got a little bit of a support system here, but it's only 1 minute. The 1 minutes are not very strong, so we want to just maybe finger on the button to take profit if it goes back up. I'm hoping it's going to go back up here. We're in a bit of a downtrend, 3 bearish candles, but we're fighting it out here. Just want to get my small win. Momentum is slow right now. 20 seconds. We want to see a new high here. A new high will basically take profit here. We want to see this like sandwich candle here. Order block, I think they call that. I'm almost in there. There we go. We're going to take it, I think. This should hold us up. Might want to go down more. but we gapped up. That shows a little bit of a momentum going up on the 1 minute there. Okay, we'll take one or take the other one. Let's see if it'll take that one too. Only one contract in. I'll just manually exit, I guess. Okay, 567. Our target is up on the 1 minute. What's everything looking like now? This could want to come all the way down to this. Looks like whatever this is. That worked out really well, huh? We're really falling now. What's my 1 hour doing? You get a good amount of volume in here. Should I try to take? This might not have been a very good play here because we do have a fair value gap. Maybe I can get out of it. I'm out. Just take a little bit because it's not looking too stable because we do have a bearish fair value gap here on the 1 minute. We still have this, but we wick down. We still have this push up, but we wick down. Nothing holding it up, really, until 7083 way down there. So it has a long way to fall if it wants to tag into this fair value gap and the daily fair value gap. So this is 7073. So it's in an uptrend, but we're kind of like rounding tops here. We did make a new high recently with this 4 hours, and then 2 hours we are, after a push, we were looking like we might want to sell here. Might make the fair value gap, hopefully. Our target though on this 2 hours is a bearish or bullish target here. Just get out of this if I can. Hopefully we'll make another little push down. This should make a fair value gap. It's working down. We got it. Okay, we're at 598. I could see some. Okay, this could be an entry. Doesn't look like we're coming back there. Wicking down. Let's see if it cancels out this fair value gap. It did. It might be going up now. We have not made a new low. We made a higher high, and I guess this is a higher low. Could this make a new low? I mean, this candle is like an indecision candle here. Is there a fair value gap that's holding it down? There should be. That one, no. Yeah, so we got 5 minutes here. We got these still holding it down, but again, price does kind of want to go down in the short term. I'm doubling down. I'm moving my stop loss up. Even though it's not a great entry here, because we just made we just made a fair value gap. You didn't see that one. So we just made this fair value gap. We just had to push there. We could close it out though if we keep coming down. $19 seconds left on that. Might need to get out of this trade. Could push down though. We've got a lot of upward signaling though. We don't need to make a new low. We just need to wick down here. We just need to wick down there to get out of this trade. That's all we need, buddy. Finger on the trigger. Make sure I see some green. Looks like it's pushing down. I think it'll take it, hopefully. I'm out. Okay, we're at 640. That was a close one. So 640 for the day. I'm making fair value gaps down now. That's showing up. That's showing down. I'm going to make this fair value gap first. Should have waited to make the fair value gap. We inverted the last one. Totally kind of screwed the pooch on that trade, but we got 23 seconds left. What's it going to do? Finger on the button in case I want to get out of it with profit. We want to make a fair value. 13 seconds. Oh, we did not make a fair value gap. Okay, that's not good. We're kind of ranging around in this area. Gapped up. We're pushing down. This is almost like a head and shoulders looking pattern here. All we need to do is wick down there to take that profit again. It's looking like it's gonna go the other way though. And 15 seconds. This is a fair value gap down here though. This is a target. So a lot of our targets say we're going down, in the short term at least, so the 3 seconds on this one. Okay. Thinking this is looking okay. We gap down. We got 2 down candles. Whip back up on this one. We should make this. Okay, made it lower. Click here. That's good. Still, we're kind of in process. Oh, a little bit of green there. Okay, one last push. Okay, we got it. Okay, we're at 661. We're kind of making our way down to this opening range. Okay, we're going blue on this candle now. Starting to go blue. It's still 30 minutes from closing on it, but it is a bit of a reversal going on. Teeter-tottering into this reversal. When I say reversal, I mean reversal of momentum. Still got some up signal. That's the thing. We still got some up signal. This is starting to make a downtrend. I don't mind going heavy a little bit. Because we got the wick there. If it pushes up again, I might take it, but otherwise I'll just wait. Looks like I'm making a leg up now. Could be making a leg up. We want to look down and get some profit here. I saw 30. I don't know if I got 30. Okay, so look at this. Something there at 700. Win rate today is 82. It's kind of hesitating, so I think if it makes another candle, this could have a little pause up. Whatever that was, almost at 700. I'm gonna keep going down with it. There's a lot of liquidity at the opening range here too, which is at 7155. Seconds left on this to make a fair value gap, then I'll re-enter. If it holds up. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. No fair value gap. 1, double down there. Not not like it's a little bit dicey, but I feel like we're going down. We have breaking structure to the downside. We just need to dip down in there a little bit after that big push. It's fighting back up again. I don't necessarily want to go any heavier than this. We are in the downtrend on the EMA, but it is poking up on the top of the upside of the EMA line there. This is okay. We got a fair value gap forming. Hopefully it pushes down, takes out that fair value gap. That's what we want to see. We did not make equal lows here. A little bit of an impulsive trade there, which again, I'm kind of reactive, but we're just looking for little wins here. So we're pushing back in that fair value gap. Okay, I like this so far. Okay, we can take these, I think. The next candle, I think, should take them if it doesn't wick up. I'm taking out with 70. That puts me at 736. That's not bad. Okay, let's look. I'm gonna go from the top again because I'm starting to lose a little perspective here. We've not seen a down candle in a while. Our disrespect is way down here. It's on my weekly. This is starting to show signs of a downtrend here. But we're in an uptrend. We have some fair value gaps up here, so 175 might be where price might go up to. Let's see if we can take 182 just as a reminder. Maybe somewhere here. Looks like we're starting to want to come back up a little bit. We want to see a fair value gap first. We did have this push up here on the 1 minute, but it pushed down on the 5 minute. So previous volume 14, current volume 5. But we're not really making a big push up at the moment. 15 minute, 13. Previous candle. So we're not seeing the volume going in up right now. We did have this wick down, so I think we're still going down for the most part. 45. This is an upward candle, but we've wicked down. We've kind of been ranging in this range for the last bit here. Get this fair value gap up here, 170. We've whipped up against it a couple times now. We've already had a big wick and price wants to push down. So I'm looking at sells, but I think I'd want to take something if it whipped up again. Maybe up there. We're making some legs up. We got 3 candles in a row. Potentially that might be an up candle. Okay, that was an indecision. Okay, we're making a big push down. We're gonna make a fair value gap on the 1 minute, looks like. Are we gonna disrespect this? What's going on? I'm gonna take a trade up real quick. Okay, we gapped it down. That's a big fair value gap. So this could be also a entry to sell, but this is our exit order. It's starting to look like a big push down, but you never know. So we just need to pop up there. Maybe next candle, if we get an upper candle. We're creating this fair value gap. You gotta push a little bit of a temporary push down, but it's fighting. It's fighting. We got 12 seconds left. It's fighting. This is what we want to see if it's going to hesitate. We don't want to make too big of a fair value gap going down. We want it to be kind of small. We want to be able to take this. Okay. Negative $50. We just need to get back there, take that profit. We don't have a lot of fair value gaps holding us necessarily. We got a small one there. We're getting a push down, but it's kind of absorbing it. So hopefully we can just go up and grab that. So it is fighting here. We could get out at 70. This is making a downward trend. It is fighting though. It's not what we want to see. When am I going to get out of it? Good question. Okay, I guess I got to get out of it. Well, I could double down. Pretty big leg down. I'm gonna go nuts here. I'm gonna go nuts. Okay, I'm doing that. I'm gonna take my cells here. Make them easy to get. Get rid of the rest of this shit. Pushing back up. I like this so far. You run the button to stay in the profit. I'm in profit. Okay, I'm out. 727. Did I get profit on that last trade? I don't know if I did or not. No, maybe a little bit of a loss. Still at 81 win rate. What is happening with this price today? I mean, I'm managing to be profitable, but I mean, I got 81% win rate, luckily, but it's been a little touch and go. But I can't really create a narrative. It's not, price isn't moving in any particular way today. This is a big move down here from this. We are not quite seeing the volume we need to see. It's not as much volume as there was on the previous day. Now on the 4 hour, we have a long way to come back up here if it wants to retouch this. But we got 3 hour, half hour left on this candle, so I feel like it could go up, but we got this push down. Oh, we got the break and retest potentially here, or continue through it, which it does seem like it's continuing through it. I'm gonna check this out. For the love of God, if you don't just keep going down. I wanted to take this one. I've been down a little prematurely on a lot of trades, even though 35 looks good. Why isn't it getting out? I'm out. Okay. I guess I wasn't right on the button. I'm gonna sell again. This could be a break and retest to the, no, we haven't broken to the downside, but we did create this fair value gap, so I like that so far. Oh, of course we got the push up. It's getting absorbed though. Get that, smash that, smash that. Come on, I'm just like so missing my targets like crazy. Okay, I just manually took it out. 774. So we did kind of reject off that midline. Oh, so we got the fair value gap there. We got big fair value gap here. So we could re-enter 5-6 maybe. And that big push down. We're in the downtrend on the 5 minute. We're going to be creating a fair value gap here in a second on the 15 minute. This could be my entry here. So keep an eye on this. See if it wants to dip into it enough. We just want to take it and then run with it. Didn't quite get to it. Okay. Okay, of course. Now we've created fair value gaps going up now on the 1 minute. So I'll take my 5-6 here. This could be an entry going up now. We still got a lot of, signals of bullish momentum. Finger on the trigger here. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit and continue on with whatever way the market wants to go. I think it could touch this. I think it could touch this. Come on. It wants to go. Go. I'm just on the outskirts of my entries today. Okay, I'm at 800 for the day. Now, does the price want to continue moving up, or does it want to go touch this fair value gap again? We're going to take it up at least till here. So that's our target. We're in a downtrend, so the fair value gap is our target. I could wick up. I can see it wick up. We are in a severe downtrend now. We are making an upwards movement on this candle. I like the 20s. I wanted to like get minimum 20s. Okay, I got the 30. So we got 830. Now we're making another fair value gap going up, so I'm going to just buy in. Might even double down because we got, okay, we canceled out that one, but it did show a little bit of upward movement. We do have the equal highs here, so we could consider another buy-in in this fair value gap at 755. We want to tag it. Why am I so on the edge of all these entries today and exits? It's got a bullish or bearish push down. Okay, so now we take profits there. Oh shit, we are getting a little bit hot here. So we made a fair value gap. That's not what I want to see. Definitely not what I want to see here. Okay, so we are going down. We've basically, I think I'm getting out of here. We didn't make a new low yet. We didn't make a new low yet. What's it going to do? This is doable if the price just goes up, runs up, and take out. It's 1 minute, 1 minute's aren't strong, so we're almost closing out this fair value gap already. You still see some bullish signs. We closed the fair value gap. We are in a downturn on that lower time frame, but we do have this as a target as well as resistance here. So all we want to do is go up and take this. Let's see what it wants to do. We're down 70. I could get out of it, but we're in 8. We're in a little heavy. That's the thing. We're in a little heavy, so I'm scared that it might take off to the downside at this point. But we are kind of making a little bit of a leg up, and overall we do have some upward targets here. I think that's down. We're in this very big push down. That's down. My alarm signals are down now. Okay, we got it. Now we're gonna go down. Okay, now we're at 933. All right, so Win rate's still pretty good. What's my win rate? 81. So we made some good progress here. Now, what's it good doing on this midline here? Is it rejecting off the midline, or is it wanting to disrespect it? So now I'm 800 and something bucks away from, I think that's gonna buy here. 800 and something bucks away from passing the eval. That's would be nice if I could do that. Let me know in the chat what you think. Any questions? Say hi. Do something. Don't be a LARPer. Okay, we're not going to make a fair value gap unless it gets way down there. In that case, I might take a trade, another double down. I'll take a double down. It's a nice, ooh, that's what I don't want to see. There's no fair value gap, so it could create a fair value gap here. That's the problem. We made an equal low. I don't even know what we're being supported against. I mean, there's nothing really to say that this just can't keep going down now. Am I in 8 contracts? Of course I am. Shit. This could totally tank. Okay, my 1 hour's going down now. That's not what I want to see. So I might have to cancel out of this, depending on what it wants to do here. It's gonna go down. Okay, I'm getting out. It's going down. Well, that sucks. That was a big loss. That was my biggest loss of the day today. It just may want to dump now. We made new lows. We made this 1 hour push to the downside now. Crazy push. We're wicking up now. I'm in too heavy now. This is stupid. I don't want to lose this all in one trade. 2 trades. It's crazy. So this is where we keep doubling down. I think it wants to go down. Fucking reversing. No. No. You stupid son of a bitch. No, come on. Give me one more chance. What do we got? 56 here? Don't tell me I'm just gonna blow my account now. Come on, don't do this to me. You just made that big push down. You know you want to go down. We got a bullish candle here. Go down and get that order now. Okay. Back at 782. Okay. Thank God. Alright, so what's it doing here? We're going down. We just took out that. Getting close to taking out this low here. So 7144. 7144 will be my target. Now I don't recommend that move. That's a double down, triple down, quadruple down. But it is something. So we got fair value gaps holding us down. We got this as a target here. I think it'll smash it. Let's just go down a little bit deeper. Try to get my profit back. I'm gonna try to be patient on this one. $10.55. Oh. What's going on here? We're rejecting? Okay, this is getting a little too hot and heavy for me. I'm gonna buy. So, oh, I missed it. What are we doing today with this price? It's insane price, but hanging in there. I'm getting a little nervous, but stay focused. So we did kind of wick up to that. So this is it. It's our target down here, 49. Are we going to reject completely off this New York. Looking down. What's that gonna do? Am I missing something? We got that fair value gap way up there, but it's already wicked down from it quite a bit. We're in a bearish push on this 15-minute still. We wicked up quite a bit though. Still on a bearish push here. These are all signals. We're in the 1 hour bearish push. We just need profit now. This is still our target on a lot of these time frames. I'm going to start again. We need 12 now. Profits are just getting crushed. This is crazy. Profits are getting crushed. We're in a downtrend. This is like a crazy uptrend now. I'm in too heavy right now. I really shouldn't get any more heavy, otherwise I would run risk of blowing the account and losing all of my profits. But this is a substantial leg up. Drawdown still at 2,000. I think I'll go negative 300 with it, then I'll have to pull the plug. I'm gonna go in heavy. What kind of leg is this? It's one of our bigger legs of the day. We made a new high on this minor trend. What's our 1 hour looking like still? We could come all the way up to this. Momentum is starting to wane here. I don't want to do what I did last time with that 48 contracts. What a day. This has been a crazy day. It's like, I guess, respecting that midline. I don't even know what's happening because it's been crushing that midline through the whole day. insane. How did I get myself into this situation? Come on. You're in a downtrend. Fair value gap. Are you gonna hold me? Are you gonna save me? Are you gonna save me? Are you the one that I'm gonna kiss if I get this trade? No, what's my 5 minute? Okay, we got this fair value gap to contend with. That's holding us up. We're coming down. We wicked all the way down because we held through that fair value gap as well. We were just holding up on multiple time frame fair value gaps. Love to see it wick down or do something. We broke structure to the upside. This is almost like an entry for it to go long to the upside, so he's not very good. I got a little frisky. We're in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. This could be a rangy little downtrend. This could be a minor uptrend before the downtrend. We made a lower low, but then we made a higher high. So, however, here, this is still shaping up to be a downtrend because we basically downtrend, a little bit of a pullback, and we're going to continue down. What's the 15 minute? This is just part of the downtrend on the 15 minute, so we have a bunch of fair value gaps holding this up if we don't go up too high and hit our $1,000 daily loss limit. So, but it's 11 o'clock. I got it. Thank God. Okay. Keep going down, buddy. This could actually, if I take all these profits, this could actually be very good for my account. Okay, now we're surging. We are surging down. Let's do it. Stop screwing around. We got this New York here. That's the thing. That's a big liquidity draw here. Oh, we went right up to my take profit line. That's why you always need to wait for a pullback, which I think I did, didn't I? Didn't I wait for the pullback and it tagged me in? I can't remember. Obviously not enough because our take profits are here. Okay. I do kind of want to get out of this as soon as possible, but I want to see what happens. yo-yo back up. It's holding up. Got a fair value gap up there. That's okay. Hopefully it just doesn't invert it and make another leg up here. Yeah, so close. Okay, we're making another leg up. Got the fair value gap holding us down, protecting us a little bit. I'll be happy with a wick down. I'll be happy with a big wick down. Okay, this is looking promising. Targets at 748. Oh, sliding back up. That's not good. Okay, keep pushing, bud. Momentum has slowed. We still got some good signals here that price wants to go down. I'd love to see some blue pushes to the downside here on these lower time frames. That would mean a lot. That would mean a lot. We've got downtrends in a lot of our signals here. I'm going to try to be patient. Okay, still holding that fair value gap. That's down. That's down. That's down. That's down, but we're like almost at our target here. We seem to be holding off this midline, but I'm not sure why. This is down. All my trends are looking down. This is a gimme. This should be a gimme that it's gonna go down. Down. The 4 hours not showing down, but everything else is. Got that big fair value gap we just pushed off. The wicks are keeping us from making a new fair value gap. We got 2 hours on this 4 hour. We got a lot of room to cover to disrespect it here. That sucks. Looking into these fair value gaps. I feel like I gotta stay strong though. And just pray that it's gonna go down. I like that wicking down. That's a good sign. Momentum's good. We got 3 little candles up though on that. Okay, this is enough. Let's go on. That's a big move up here on that one. We're gonna let it run though. I think we gotta let it run. We made a new low. It could want to go all the way up to this fair value gap up here at 772. Thing is, you could wick either way too. It could wick up crazy, like a market manipulation, and then smash that daily loss limit as well. So you never know what the big fish is gonna do. So I like this as a lower low. Hopefully this stays a lower low. We do have a higher high, but we are kind of funneling in this little pattern here. We do kind of got like a trend line going here. We want to see it respect that trend line. Maybe if it blasts through that trend line, then maybe I'll get out of it just to save the account. But this is where the rubber meets the road here. Got in too heavy. I'm too heavy right now. Okay, we got equal highs. We got a big fair value gap on the 1 minute holding this up, which sucks. Cutting into it, I like that. That's good. And reacting. Eyes are stepping in. Nothing on the 5 minutes except for these fair value gaps up top, which have been getting eaten into for a minute now. So, but that is a little stronger than the 1 hour. We got a 15 minute here too that's holding us. We've tapped into, and we want to keep moving down. So we're making another little leg down, it looks like. We've also got this little funnel happening here. See which one wins, basically. I'm in too heavy. This is like crazy. There's no reason why I should have been in this heavy. We had so we got a little bit of a blue push here. That's good, but we just totally absorbed it. We are sitting on top of this fair value gap on the 1 minute. Okay, we got a yellow. We've kind of broken above our trend line a little bit. We're now in an uptrend on the 1 minute. Still on a downtrend, but we whipped up here. If I was in the opposite trade, let's say this was a stop loss and my take profit is way up here. Let's say I had a 4 to 1. Let's say I had a 4 to 1, 7152. And I did a 20 point trade. And then I did a 4 to 1. 7047. I would basically hit my stop loss if it went into my drawdown there. So I feel like I don't know. I don't want to. I mean, $300 for the day is kind of my target, but and I would still be up 1,500, and I could maybe attack it again tomorrow. But I just feel like I don't know. feel like everything's pointing like it should go down pretty much. We're doing this crazy consolidation here. We've already disrespected the midline like crazy, so I don't know why it keeps rejecting to the upside. And you know, I almost could have got out of that trade. I should have probably just at least got out of it to cut down my contract size here. I don't know why I stayed in it. But my win rate for the day has been really good for the most part until right now. I'm at 80%. I mean, I still feel like this trade is going to work out, but I'm over leveraged. I don't want to be this far in the hole on a trade, and it's just undecided what way this wants to go at this point. We're seeing some upward momentum. Kind of had some like liquidity sweeps here. We've had a lot of like, whatever to call that, when they just basically invert each other. You need a big push down in order to make a fair value gap down. That's what we really need. And we're still holding on this fair value gap, but it's been a while. So like I feel like the liquidity is getting eaten out of it quite a bit, even though we are in an uptrend on this. We're starting to get below the EMA, which is good. We've got a bearish push down. All my signals look down. This is feeling better now. This is feeling better. We're wicking back up out of the fair value gap. What happened? We are seeing some bearish pushes. We are below the EMA at this point. We've kind of rounded the top of the EMA. We still want to invert this fair value gap in order to like take out the support. Okay, we got a fair value gap now. I like that. We've inverted it. We're pushing down. Come on, keep moving down. You got more in you. If we make a new low, then I feel pretty good about it. I think I will manually get out if I see it go, but if I start to see a good push, a good lot of momentum, which the momentum's not very good right now. It's like moving very slow. We do got the fair value gap. I'm happy about that. We're not making one on the 5 minute. If we made one on the 5 minute, that'd be a real big sign. So we got 2 minutes left on this. As long as we keep this momentum, we might make a small one here. We want to keep the momentum going. Hopefully this is not a new low. Did we get rid of our 1 minute? Yeah, we did. So that's not good. We've still inverted this fair value gap. That's a good sign. That's something we got going for us. Our targets are still down here on a lot of the time frames. We're making some good pushes. Now we're kind of ranging in this small area up here, but it's after a leg down. We have not, well, we've kind of broken above and below our trends. when I pass this eval, I need to, okay, this is looking good. When I pass the eval, I need to make sure I don't go nuts like I did this trade. Is a bit careless. Okay, so we've now got a small 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see if that holds. Okay, it does not. On the 5 minute, we got 41 seconds. We're retracing up. Not a good sign. This is crazy. It's crazy that I made any money today off any of these trades with the market the way there is. Let me know in the chat. Say hi. So I'm up. I've had 80%, almost 80% win rate today. However, I'm caught in this where I tripled down basically on it going down, and then the market just kind of turned on me. So it's, you know, it's a bit risky. So I'm in heavier than I want to be, but I'm kind of making a little bit of progress going down after it went way up here. And I think I re-entered at some to bring my profit line up again, but all my signals look like it's going down. However, I'm struggling, I guess, off this midline here. I don't know what's keeping it up. Finger on the trigger here in case it crosses the midline. However, I would like to see it take all those profits, and I think I'd be close to passing my eval if it did. So I do kind of want to see it through. I'm so close now. We've not quite made a new low yet. Back at the profit line. Okay, now we should move, I think. We should move. Don't go up, you idiot. We should be moving down now. I mean, I could get out of it, but God, we're so close. And we are kind of making trends down. We got 3 5-minute candles down. We have some good signals that price wants to go down. I wish these lower time frames would be in coherence with the rest of the signals. Almost there. We're not making fair value gaps, however. Oh, that's crazy. What are you doing? Okay, we are clearly breaking the trend to the downside. We made a market structure shift to the downside. We've kind of broken this trend line here. We've gotten some momentum up though, however. We are holding on. We've inverted fair value gaps. We are fighting for this position for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, I could have got out. I should have got out. But I want to see it smash. I just want to see it smash through this. The bottom is starting to fall out, hopefully, here. Oh man, we're so close. Why? Why? What are you doing? Why is this important? Why is this level so important? There must be something down here. Oh, there's like a... Oh, come on. You started there. You gotta come down. Okay, I was at 1,000, I think, at one point in this day. So I'd love to get back to 1,000. I think after this trade, I will probably call it quits here. If I could get out of this trade. Give me a push. Give me a good solid push. Not up. We got market structure break. We're knocking at the new trend line's door here. I could get out. That's like the safe move, but I want to take some profit. I want to. Oh boy, we're 25 here now. Come on. Gapped up. I'm not happy about that. This looks like it's kind of stair stepping down, hopefully. Unbelievable. And we're probably going to make a fair value gap. Okay, this could protect us if we get a big push down. This could protect us from making a fair value gap to the upside on the next candle. That's what we want to see. Okay. Come on, what's going on here? This is probably the most crazy trading day I've had in a long time. Look at that. What are you doing? You got equal lows here. At 25 we could get out, but we're making some moves. We are making some moves. We're up 40 bucks. We could get out. We're at 8. Okay, we got a, well, got one. I think the bottom's falling out now finally. Come on. Give me something. Okay, we got a blue push down. Making a little fair value gap here. Okay, I like this. Okay, got that one. Get one more. Got it. We're at 939. What a crazy day, and then it whipped back up. Look at that. All right, so now we're 800 bucks away from passing this eval. So I think that's gonna be it for today. And crazy day. Crazy day. I think that's gonna be it for today. Okay. So 79. Let me see what my total. So I did 736 divided by 102. That's 7.2 contracts times 5. $36.08. $36.08 is 36 points today. I think that's, if my math's right, we did 36 points today. So that's a crazy, it's a good day. So if 36 points, if you just went on market open, started trading market open here, let's say, maybe you could have went, maybe you would have taken it up a little bit, but if you would have went down, that'd be 26 points. So we basically outperformed the market. Like we got more points with this strategy than even just trading alongs up and down or whatever. So I don't know, there's something to this strategy, and it's, I mean, you're like on the verge. Even if I lost, I wouldn't have still lost big. I would have lost, excuse me for picking my nose, that's disgusting. I don't know. I feel like something's happening with this strategy. It's working out in some ways. I've seemed to be pretty consistent. I think my performance for this week is still 78. You see, fairly consistent. I did have some little pullbacks here on the profit with the fees and everything. The fees will get you, but overall, it's pretty consistent. This was, I think, last night. I went up $300 and lost $300. Otherwise, I'd be really close to my passing this eval. I think once I pass the eval, and if I could be disciplined and not get too nutty with these doubling down and stuff, I'll be consistent enough to do, if I could do $500 a day. I mean, if I could just do $500 a day for 5 days in a row, which seems to be pretty realistic, then I could take out $1,500 for my first payout, and then still have some in the bank. So I think my consistency has gotten pretty good, even though I had some dicey situations like I had today. My consistency seems to be pretty good. Might take one here. Just one contract. Or just one trade, one bulk trade here. Seems like a push down, unless it just totally retraces it. 13 seconds left. Okay, shit. Could have taken it when I did. And if I go into profit again, I'm out. I'll just take $10. Okay, then it'll probably go all the way this time. Okay, so anyways, I gotta get out of here. Make sure you like and